Hello, and welcome back to mksenglish.com's Everyday English Listening, the show that helps you grow your English step by step. Today's episode is a special IELTS reading lesson designed for learners who are aiming for band 6.5 or above. To complete the reading section, you will need to click on the link in the description of our show. Our topic: urban wildlife. Animals that are returning to live in cities around the world. This is a complete self-study lesson, so grab your notebook or download the free worksheet on mksenglish.com and let's get started. Let's start with a quick warm-up. I want you to think about this question. Have you ever seen a wild animal in your city or town? Maybe a fox in a park? A raccoon near some garbage cans? Or a bird building a nest on your balcony? Take a moment and write down one or two sentences about that. Also, make a prediction. The title of today's passage is The Return of Urban Wildlife. What do you think it will be about? Before we read, let's learn 8 important words you'll see in the passage. Urban. Urban. This is related to cities. Rural. Rural. The opposite, the countryside. Opportunistic. Opportunistic. Able to take advantage or an opportunity of what's available. Adapt. Adapt. To change and survive in a new place. Corridor. Corridor. A path or green area animals use to travel. Conservation. Conservation. Protecting nature and animals. Encounter. Encounter. To meet unexpectedly. Ecosystem. Ecosystem. A system of animals, plants, and their environment. As you read the passage, look at these words and try to guess their meaning from context. You'll find sentence examples and practice sentences in the worksheet if you want to go deeper. Now let's talk about 2 IELTS reading strategies. Skimming. Skimming means reading quickly to understand the main idea. And scanning. Scanning means looking quickly for specific words or information. So try this. Skim the passage and ask yourself these questions. What's the big idea here? And what is the writer trying to tell me? Then, when you answer the questions later, scan for keywords. Don't read everything. Save time and focus. Okay, now it's time to read. Open your worksheet or go to the link for mksenglish.com and read The Return of Urban Wildlife. Remember, use skimming for the first read. Then, scan when you answer the questions. These questions include true, false, or not given, matching paragraphs, and multiple choice. You can pause this episode now to complete the reading and questions. Finish the questions? Great! Let's check a few together. True or false? Foxes only live in rural areas. Right. That's false. They now live in cities too. Multiple choice. Why are raccoons successful in cities? The answer is they can eat many kinds of food. You can check all the answers and explanations in the worksheet. Finally, take 2 minutes to reflect. What helped you the most? What will you try next time? And here's a final challenge. Do you think cities should welcome wild animals or keep them out? Write a short paragraph. I'd love to read your ideas. So you can send them to me on YouTube at MK's English and post them in the comments. That's it for today's IELTS reading lesson on urban wildlife. If you like this episode and want more lessons like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also, visit mksenglish.com for more free lessons. Thanks for studying with me. Take care.